Alright, why is it not focused?
Let's see, guess who's in this green bus.
Alrighty, so we are talking about adding vectors in 2D that are not our vectors that we added before. So not just distances. Okay, so we have our KFC console. Our carrier person is not very gently setting it on our doorstep, hence the 15 newtons pointing this way. The weight of the box is 120 newtons. That's going down. And there is a mysterious 20 Newton force that is, I guess, responsible for levitating the KFC console that is pointing upwards. Okay?
So,
Fries with our KFC.
That would be the next example.
All right. So we have this box. What I really want to show you with this is that these vectors add exactly like the vectors that we had that were just distance. Okay? So here we can see that we have two vectors that go up and down, right? Those we can add with just our normal one-dimensional vector addition. And then we have the other one that is at 90 degrees to each other. So we are going to need to use Pythagorean theorem to add that one. Okay? So the big difference here is this is not drawn out in a way that makes it look like it's like right next to each other. So the arrows aren't like end to end. Does that make sense?
Nature's 101.
But we can make it so that it is so. We already talked about how our order of our vectors doesn't matter. So we can draw these vectors out in whatever order we want. So we should start by making it the easy order. So we're going to put the up and down ones together. I'm going to try and get it somewhat reasonably close.
The down positive.
So we have our 120 newtons. Then we have 20 newtons back up. Then we have 15 newtons this way. I don't know why 15 is longer than 20.
Big drop.
Good?
Wait.
I leave a warranty on it.
Okay.
I certainly hope so.
No, because it's like shipping and handling.
Well, you can ensure your shipping and handling, so.
That's too expensive.
Yeah. All right. So we are going to start by doing just our normal vector addition, right? So what's 120 minus 20? Because we said that down is positive. 100. So we will have and then our actual net force, or the sum of all of our forces, is going to be along this dotted line. Okay? So we have our right triangle. We now use Pythagorean theorem. We've got square root of 100 squared plus 15 squared. You should get your calculators out. What does this give us?
Oh, it's 101.11874.
It was really expensive.
It was 7.4.
There's 101.118.
1, 1. 2 ones?
1.1.
101.118.
Or 101.
There you go.
101.118.
No,
Huh?
101.118.
All right.
Oh, no, it's fabulous.
Bye, camera video. Hope you enjoyed.
All right. So we finally got to that.
Oh, this camera video is for Lily. Hi, Lily.
We will do another example of this later, tomorrow. Have a good day, guys.
That's good.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mrs. Green.
Have a good day.
Bye.